In front of me is Xiaomi 13T, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password added to Google Passwords Manager. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then click on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Following that, just tap on one of your passwords that you wish to get rid of and enter your current login method. Then click on Delete next to Edit and confirm your choice by selecting Delete in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my Google password was successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!